Shipping car from Hawaii to mainland. Shipping a car from Hawaii to the mainland can be daunting, but with the correct information and preparation, it can be a stress-free process. Suppose you're moving from Hawaii to the mainland or purchasing a car from Hawaii. In that case, you'll need to have a solid understanding of the car shipping process, port services, and car shipping industries available to you. The car will then be loaded onto the vessel for transport to the mainland. The vehicle may be transported via port-to-port or port-to-door service, depending on the chosen shipping option. The car shipping industry will update the shipment's progress and delivery dates. One of the essential factors to consider when choosing an auto transport company is their experience and reputation. It's best to choose a company that has been in the business for a while and has a proven track record of successfully transporting cars. You can check the company's online reviews and ratings to see what other customers have to say about their experience. Call us today at 888-231-0113.